EM3D is a dot matrix alignment app. When repairing Face ID with V1S Pro, users can download EM3D without logging in on V1S Pro. In this video, we will explain how to download and install the EM3D software with V1S Pro and how to use EM3D software. Download EM3D with V1S Pro. Firstly, connect V1S Pro to the mobile phone with USB cable. After connecting, a window will pop up on your phone. Click Trust. The password interface appears. Enter the lock screen password of your phone. Open the EM3D software on V1S Pro. A QR code will appear. Pick up your phone and open the original camera app. After scanning the QR code on V1S Pro, it prompts to open in iTunes. Click Open in iTunes. Click Confirm to install EM3D. Back to the main interface and wait for the installation to complete. After EM3D is installed completely. How to use EM3D. Open the EM3D you just downloaded on your phone. Select the last one, Continue. Click OK. Then it remains to scan. Click Scan. A pop-up window shows to get the authority of camera. Click OK. Continue clicking OK. If the EM3D portrait is scanned completely, it will be no problem to record the Face ID. The EM3D portrait in the video is complete. If the scanned EM3D portrait is missing or relatively scattered, the Face ID will not be recorded. It means there is a problem with the prism alignment, or the iron frame of the Face ID component is deformed and needs to be adjusted.